गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ग्रेड 4th रीजनिंग का चैप्टर जिसका नाम है पैटर्न। ओके, तो पैटर्न में एक्चुअली डिजिट्स का पैटर्न होता है, नंबर्स का पैटर्न होता है, अल्फाबेट्स का पैटर्न होता है या फिर फिगर्स का पैटर्न होता है। हमें उन पैटर्न्स को ऑब्जर्व करना होता है और अकॉर्डिंगली अपनी फाइनल फिगर के लिए एक आंसर चूज करना होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में देखिए, here we have to find the number in place of this question कि इस क्वेश्चन मार्क पे क्या नंबर आ सकता है। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ बेसिक है जो हमें पैटर्न में ऑब्जर्व करने होते हैं। फर्स्टली कि नंबर इंक्रीज हो रहा है या डिक्रीज हो रहा है। इफ द नंबर इज इंक्रीजिंग तो हम चूज करते हैं उसमें एडिशन और मल्टीप्लीकेशन, क्योंकि ये दो ही मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन है जिससे डिजिट्स इंक्रीज करती है। ओके, तो हम चेक करेंगे कि विद एडिशन हमें वो पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है या विद मल्टीप्लीकेशन हमें वो पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है। ओके, और अगर डिक्रीज करता है नंबर तो हम चूज करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन। उनको चेक करते हैं कि किस तरीके से हमारा जो पैटर्न है वो हमें ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है या हमें फाइंड होता है। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में देखिए, वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क। ओके, अगर हम फर्स्ट फिगर को देखिए तो वी आर गेटिंग 10 हेयर। okay, and 10 is less than 30 and 20, तो let us subtract 30 and 20। तो जब हम 30 और 20 को subtract करते हैं, here we are getting 10, means ये subtraction हमारी first figure पे हमें find out हो गया। Similarly जब हम subtract करते हैं 44 and 12 को, we are getting 32, तो it's verify our second figure also। तो similarly थर्ड फिगर में भी हमें सेम पैटर्न फॉलो करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है टू गेट दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क वैल्यू। Okay, so 64 minus 30 is 34. Means 34 is the correct answer for our question number 1. Okay, so now moving to question number 2. Okay, here you can see again we have to find a number in place of this question mark. Okay, so again just add 12 and 14 because 26 is a bigger number. Here we will check the addition. So 12 plus 14 is 26. Okay, we are getting. Similarly, 20 plus 30 is 50. Again, we are getting our number. And now 22 plus 40 is what? 40 plus 20, 60 plus 2, 62. Means C is our correct answer in this. Okay. Now, coming to question number 3rd, again we have to find the value for this question mark, please. Okay, here we are getting 48, means again a bigger number in the circle. So let us check again with the addition, जैसा हम अपने पिछले क्वेश्चंस में करते आ रहे हैं। तो 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, means we are not getting 48। और वैसे भी जब नंबर जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा हो, ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं 4, 2, 2 and 3, ये बहुत छोटे नंबर है, 48 बहुत बड़ा नंबर है इनके कंपैरिजन में। तो डेफिनेटली इतना बड़ा नंबर हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ही मिलेगा, एडिशन से नहीं मिलेगा। इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी कि 12 एंड 14 आर वेरी नियर टू 26, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, तो हम एडिशन ट्राई कर सकते थे, बट इस केस में हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही करना चाहिए। ओके, तो 4 times 2 is 8। ओके, तो इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके वी आर गेटिंग 8। 3 multiplied 2 is 6, again we are multiplying 6 and 8 and getting 48, 6 times 8 is 48। तो ये हमारे फर्स्ट फिगर पे हमें ये पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व हो गया। Similarly, let us check the second figure also. 3 multiply 1 is 3, 8 multiply 2 is 16 and 16 multiply 3 is 48। तो मीन्स हमें अपना पैटर्न मिल चुका है। सेम हम थर्ड फिगर पे इसको अप्लाई करेंगे। तो 3 multiply 2 is 6, 4 multiply 2 is 8, 6 times 8 is 48। तो our D option is correct. Okay. Now, coming to question number 4. Here we have a figure where we have to find the value for P and Q. Okay, let us check. If we multiply 2 and 3, we are getting 6. Okay, so we have to be fast in this calculation. 2 multiply 3 is 6. Okay, so 3 multiply what number is 12? डेफिनेटली 3 टाइम्स 4 इज 12, तो अकॉर्डिंगली p की वैल्यू 4 होनी चाहिए. ओके, 4 multiply 5 is 20, again it is verifying. Next, 5 multiply 6 is 30. So for the q our value will be 30. So for the p we are getting 4, for the q we are getting 30, means b option is correct. ओके, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि 1 to 4 जो हमने क्वेश्चंस किए, इट इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स. ओके, पैटर्न फॉर द नंबर यू कैन से. Next, fifth question and the sixth question. Here we have to observe the pattern for the figures. Okay, so you can see in this figure there is a triangle, circle, and a heart. Okay, in the next figure, this triangle get moves here, and the heart get moves here, and circle gets moved towards the up position. Okay, so you can see it is a clockwise movement of the figure. Clockwise, in the direction of clock, it is moving. Again, we are at this figure. You can see in the next figure, it is again down. Circle is towards the right, and heart is up. Again, it's a clockwise. Means the figures are moving in a clockwise direction. Okay, so let us come to the last figure. अगर हम इसको clockwise direction में move करते हैं, तो we are getting triangle here. Okay, heart here, and circle here. So you can see that this figure completely resembles our option number C. Okay, so coming to the next figure, here what we are observing कि जो हमारा अपर पार्ट है, ओके, इन दिस फिगर दीज आर डायगनल्स. ये जो हमारा अपर पार्ट है, दिस इज शेडेड, देन द राइट पार्ट इज शेडेड, देन द बॉटम पार्ट इज शेडेड. अगेन इट इज अ clockwise movement of the shaded part. Okay, so definitely the next figure will be the C. Okay, this part will be the shaded part. So you can observe this pattern in the option number C. Okay, so now coming to the next question, which is question number 7. Again, the numbers are here. It is 2, 12, 22, 32, 42. You can see it is the difference of 10 actually. Okay, 2 plus 10, 12, 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 10 is 32. Okay, every time we are adding 10 here. Or you can see say कि it is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, and the 5, 2. So 5, 2, 52 will be our correct answer. Coming to the question number 8. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is the table of 2. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. It is the table of 3. Here we have to use the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Means option B is correct. Okay, now coming to the question number 9. You can see in the question number 9, we are getting 4, 9, 16, and 25. So it's all about the square of a number. Square of a number, or you can say a number is multiplying 2 times. Here we are multiplying 2 and 2. 2 multiply 2 is 4. 3 multiply 3 is 9. 4 multiply 4 is 16. 5 multiply 5 is 25. Similarly, 6 multiply 6 will be 36. So our option D will be correct. Now, coming to question number 10, here we are getting 240, again a very big number. So definitely we have to check the multiplication here instead of addition. So you can see कि 6 times 8 is 48. 48 multiply 5 is 240. Okay. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 multiplied 2 is 126. Same pattern you have to follow here in the third figure. 7 fives are 35. 35 multiply 10 is 350. Means option C is correct. Okay. जब हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नंबर होता है तो पहले हमें मल्टीप्लाई ही चेक करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज सेकेंड ऑप्शन एडिशन का होता है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. हियर यू कैन सी when we multiplying the bottom number 7 and 2, we are getting 14. 3 multiply 8 is 24. So 5 multiply what is 0? So definitely it is 0. Option C is correct. Now coming to question number 12. This is a pattern for the alphabets actually. Okay. H. Everyone knows the alphabets. So you can see ki H. After H there is I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Means no alphabet is missing here. After I, J is missing. Okay, means one alphabet is missing and K is coming. So H, I, J, K, L, M is missing, N is coming. Okay, so you can see in the first two figure, no alphabet is missing. Okay, then one alphabet is missing, then two alphabet is missing. So now we have to skip the three alphabets. So after N, it must be O, P, and Q. We have to skip. O, P, Q is skipped. So our answer will be R. So option C is correct. Okay. Now coming to question number 13. Again, it is a pattern for the alphabets. So it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All are missing. I is coming. Okay, then J, K, L, M, N, O is missing. P is coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 alphabets get skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 alphabets get skipped. Okay, 7, 6 means it is in a reducing pattern. After P, you have to check Q, R, S, T, U. Q, R, S, T, U means 5. Okay, so 7 alphabets are missing. 6 alphabets are missing. 5 alphabets are missing. So here it must be 4 alphabets missed, 3, and then we have to skip the 2 alphabets. Let us check. So after V, you can check W, X, Y, and Z are missing. A is coming. B, C, D is missing. E is coming. F and G are missing. H must be here. So means option D is correct. So for the question number 13, our correct answer will be option H. Okay. In the question number 14, again, it is a question for the figure, pattern of the figure. So here, color part, okay, or you can say the filled part, shaded part, dot, dot shaded, shaded dot, dot shaded. So again, shaded dot. Shaded dot is option B. Okay. Okay, now coming to the question number 15. Again, in the center, we are getting a very big number, 110. So let us add these marginal numbers. Let us check if we are getting 110 or not. Okay. 4 and 3, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 10. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Means we are getting 110. Let us check for the next figure also, whether it get worked or not. 16 plus 24 plus 40 plus 32. It will be 6 and 4, 10 and 2, 12. 1 is a carry, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So again, we are getting 112. Means now we observe the correct pattern. We got the correct pattern. So same pattern we have to follow for our third figure. We have to add the marginal numbers 45 plus 23 plus 12 and plus 34. So 5 and 3, 8, 8 and 2, 10, 10 and 4, 14, 1 carry, 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7 and 1, 8, 8 and 3, 11. 114 means our option A is correct. This is our correct option. Okay. Now coming to the question number 16. Again, it is a question for the pattern of figure. Here, all the boxes, there are 6 boxes. Then the 5, then the 4, then the 3. Next will be the 2. Means option B is correct. Okay. Now coming to the question number 17. Here the question is कि Peter baked 3 cakes on Monday, 5 cakes on Tuesday, 7 cakes on Wednesday. So we have to write the values actually 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the pattern. If this pattern continues, how many cakes will he bake on Saturday? So this is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then for we have to find for the Friday and finally for the Saturday. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 and 2 is 11, 11 and 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13. So for the Saturday correct number will be 13, means option B is correct. Okay, again it is the increasing pattern, so check the addition. Okay, now in the question number 18, Mary read 7 novels in January, then 10 in February, then 13 in March, 16 in April. Same pattern if continues. How many novels will she be able to read in May? So this is January, February, March, April. Next is May. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Means option A is correct. Okay, now coming to the question number 19. It is the pattern for the figure. Okay, we have to check how the stars and alphabets are moving. Okay, first, if we check the alphabet, it is P, Q, R, S. So next must be T. So our answer will be either A option or D option. Okay, now let us check the stars. Star is here, it goes down. Okay, then it goes to the right side, then above. Means it is anti-clockwise, it is moving. So from here, it must be here. To start position here, we verifies. So option D is correct. Okay. So now coming to the question number 20. Here we are getting a bigger number 21 in between. So let us check. 7 multiplied 3 is 21. 7 multiplied 2 is 14. 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Okay, all get verified. 7 multiplied 9 is 63. 9 multiplied 4 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28. Again, it is correct. 6 multiplied 10 is 60. 6 multiplied 5 is 30. So 10 multiplied 5 is 50. Our option C is correct. Okay. Now coming to the next question, question number 21. Here you can see ki this is the pattern for the alphabets and number together. Okay. So what we can see, we can observe ki numbers are uh, from the starting forward counting is here. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4. So next must be 5. 5 is coming here and here. Okay. And if we check the alphabets, so alphabets are actually in the backward. Uh, so Z, Y, X, W. So it must be V because we know it is V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. And number must be in the forward counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V5 means our option C is correct. Okay. Now coming to question number 21. Again, it is the question of alphabets and number both. Here the alphabets are in the straight and a forward and a forward pattern, and the numbers are in the backward pattern, you can see. So 26, 25, 24, 23. Next must be 22. So here the 22 is coming. Option A. Or you can check A, B, C, D, E. Again, option A we are getting. So we can verify this answer in two ways. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is question number 23. Okay. Here is a triangle, then a square, then a pentagon. Means three-sided closed figure, four-sided closed figure, five-sided closed figure. Next must be a six-sided closed figure, which is option C. Again, question number 24 is a pattern for the figure. You can see this shaded part and the dot. Okay. How it is moving? From here to here, here to here, clockwise. Okay. Then again from here to here, again clockwise. So definitely next position will be circle here, and this must be here. Means in the opposite part. So you can see it verifies the figure C. Circle at the bottom part and this shaded part at the top. Option C is correct. Okay. Now in question number 25, this is a pattern of number. You can see 1, 2, 3. So we are getting 3 here by adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. Means we are added a number with a backward number with the previous number. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Means option C is correct. Now coming to the question number 26. Here we are getting 7, 8 and 13 at the bottom. So let us take the addition of the top numbers. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, it is verified. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Again correct. So to get the 13, here 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 5 means option C is correct. So you can check 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Means option C, 5 is correct. Okay. Now coming to question number 27. Here at the bottom, you are getting a very big number. Let us check with the multiplication. So 6 multiply 5 is 30. 30 multiply 4 is 120. Perfectly correct. 7 multiply 6 is 42. 42 multiply 3 is 126. Again correct. The same logic, same pattern we have to follow here in the last column. 8 multiply 5 is 40. So 40 multiply what is 320 is actually 8, because we know 8 multiply 4 is 32. So option B is correct. Coming to the question number 28. Again, it's alphabet and number. Okay. 3, 6, 9. So next number must be 12. 12 we are getting here. Okay. And you can check this also key alphabet C is at the 3 position in alphabetical series. So A, B, C. Okay. For the F, A, B, C, D, E, F. It is at the 6th position. For the I, G, H, I. Okay. Means alphabet C is at the 3rd position, F is at the 6th position, I is at the 9th position, So let us check for the L also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, it is at the 12th position. So our option A is correct here. Now coming to the question number 29. Here are alphabets and number both. Okay. A, then in place, instead of B, they are writing the position of B2, then C. Similarly, D, position of E and F. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F. In place of B and E, they are writing their number position in the alphabetical series. Okay. Again, G, H, I. So it must be J, K, L. In place of K, they use the number 11. So J, K, L means option B is correct. Okay. A, B, instead of B, they are using 2, position of B and then C. Then D, instead of E, they are using the position of E, which is 5, then F. Similarly, G, instead of H, they are using the position of H, which is 8, then I. Similarly, J, K, L, instead of K, we have to use the position of K, which is 11. So option B is correct. Now coming to the last question of this chapter, which is question number 30. Okay. Here we have X1C. Okay, you can see the C, D, E, F. A, B is not here. Okay, instead of A, position of A is here. B, C, position are here. Okay, so just C, D, E, F, G. So in the last, it must be G. Okay, so in the last, it must be G. Now let us check the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It must be 5. And the alphabets are in the backward. Okay, if we check T here, S, T, U, V, W, X. So correct answer will be T5G, means option C is correct. Here, the last alphabet is in the forward series, C, D, E, F. So last must be G. Okay, numbers are in the forward pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but the first alphabet is in the backward series, so X, W, V, U, T. So option C is correct. होपफुली ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको क्लियर होंगे. स्टिल आपको कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन मेंशन, आई विल सॉल्व इट. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.